Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Valentine coins in Fish It Game app Roblox new Valentine's update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's update has been released in Fish It, and you will need the Valentine coins to buy something from the florist shop at the Heartfelt Island. First of all, guys, just go to the Heartfelt Island and fish it. This is new island from the Valentine's update. And then basically, you just need to do fishing. You can fish anywhere that you want. Of course, at the fishing spot. Okay, and then you will be able to get the Valentine coins. Okay, I'm just going to wait until I get the Valentine coins. Okay, let's just wait guys. And after you get enough coins, you can go to the shop and you will be able to buy the love totem and the love potion. Okay, I'm still waiting for the coins. And now the Valentine's event is happening guys. Okay, I just got the Valentine coins. And I'm going to show you my balance. Okay, I'm going to go to the shop. Wait. Okay, let's just go to the shop, and if I have enough coins, I will buy something from here. Okay, you can talk to the florist, and here you'll be able to buy love potion and love totem. But my coins are still not enough to buy it, so I need to farm the Valentine coins first. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Valentine coins in Fish It Game app Roblox new Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!